The scene is set in a typical home workspace. A laptop displays an upcoming virtual meeting notification. This establishes the virtual meeting environment. The setting highlights the increasing reliance on virtual communication. It also emphasizes the importance of proper etiquette in these settings. The scene prepares the viewer for the discussion on virtual meeting etiquette. A professional workspace is crucial for making a positive first impression. Proper webcam positioning ensures optimal visibility during virtual interactions. Appropriate lighting enhances the visual quality of the presentation. A well-chosen background minimizes distractions and adds professionalism. Adjusting these elements creates a visually appealing and professional environment. The scene uses a split screen to highlight the differences in video and audio quality. One side demonstrates poor video and audio practices. The other side showcases clear video, good eye contact, and articulate speech. This comparison emphasizes the importance of a professional presence. Viewers can easily distinguish between effective and ineffective communication techniques. Punctuality is crucial for maintaining efficiency in virtual meetings. Joining meetings on time shows respect for other participants. Late arrivals disrupt the flow and focus of the discussion. Timeliness ensures that all attendees receive information simultaneously. Being punctual demonstrates professionalism and consideration. Adhering to schedules maximizes productivity and minimizes wasted time. Effective communication discipline is crucial for productive virtual meetings. Participants should utilize the mute button to minimize background noise and interruptions. The raise hand function allows participants to signal their desire to speak in an orderly manner. Efficient use of the chat feature enables quick information sharing without disrupting the speaker. These features collectively contribute to a smoother, more focused, and organized meeting environment. In virtual meetings, inclusivity ensures all participants can contribute effectively. The host plays a key role in fostering inclusivity by actively soliciting input. This includes specifically seeking contributions from quieter members who may not readily speak up. Alternative communication methods, like chat functions, enable participation despite technical limitations. Highlighting chat contributions on screen ensures these inputs receive equal attention and consideration. The host initiates the conclusion of the virtual meeting. Key action items discussed during the meeting are summarized. The host expresses gratitude to the team members for their participation. A clear statement is made to signal the meeting's official end. This ensures all participants recognize the meeting has concluded professionally. The host provides a concise summary of the key actions taken. This recap ensures all participants are aligned on accomplishments. The host expresses gratitude to the team for their contributions. This acknowledgement fosters a positive and collaborative environment. The host logs off with clear and unambiguous closing remarks. Clarity in conclusion prevents confusion and reinforces understanding. The animation begins with a laptop screen displaying binary code. The binary code visually transforms into lines. These lines start to converge and take shape. The converging lines gradually form the outline of two hands. The hands come together in a handshake. The handshake symbolizes a digital agreement or connection. Professionalism extends into the digital realm. Digital etiquette is essential for modern communication. Mastering digital etiquette enhance professionnelle interaction. Effective digital communication reflects positively on one's professional image.